Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 5, we have 4 plus 1. So this one, that is about identity. So we have h plus 2 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about h plus 2 equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, you got about tan t square. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dh. dh, you got about secant of t square dt. After we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of h, you got about number 1. This is about the constant, so you got about 0. Because we still have h, so we put number 2 go to the right. Now I will put this one gone here. H we change by this one. The h we change by this one. Tan t square plus 1, we have secant of t square. We simplify secant of t square on numerator and denominator. So 3 tan t, 3 multiplied by tan t and negative number 2. So number 9 minus number 6, we have positive number 3. Tan t, we change by sin t over cosine t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative number 3 ln of the absolute value of cosine t. The integration of number 3, we have 3t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So you got about t equals to tan of h plus 2. So we put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.